yung yung takbo ng second set natin, most especially din sa mga attackers ng Mapua.
That's right. Set number 3 is here. A pivotal set in game number 1. This is the score of our battle for third. Letran, again, look at that.
Straight sweep, no?
Reverse sweep.
Reverse sweep.
Oh, Lardizabal pouring in 24 points to lead Letran to that podium finish against the defending champions. Meantime, we go back to game 1 of the finals. Tabla tayo, 1 set apiece. We were talking about errors, John Vic. By Benio, that's how they start here in set 3.
Right, alam natin, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, okay lang na mag-error ka basta napapalitan mo agad ng point. Nako-convert mo agad sa puntos yung mga errors. And sa totoo lang, sa service area, yan talaga yung halos mag-error ka dahil kinakargahan mo eh. Gusto mong yung first service mo ay maging attack.
That's
para
right.
mahirapan itong mga kalaban mo makakuha ng first ball.
Off speed, not gonna work. Set up for Ramos. And that's a kill block for Benilde. They had 5 of those in set 2. Tignan mo, sinarado yung pintuan dito kay RJ Ramos.
And maririnig mo yung palo actually ni Ramos na malakas talaga. Hindi lang siya basta palo.
Crispy, no?
Oh,
Malutong. Ooh! So,
back-to-back errors para kay Motol.
yung 2 puntos ng Mapua ay nanggaling po sa error nitong Benilde. Oh, mga middle blocker po ng taon, Anjo Pertiera. Kim Malabunga, former analyst ng NCAA. JV Sumagaysay in the building. Of course, Kim Malabunga is our long-time middle blocker in the national team. Your former teammate, John Vic.
Alam nyo guys, ikwento ko lang yung naging namin ni Anjo Pertiera.
Okay.
Nung pumasok ako sa College of St. Benilde, sabay po kami nag-exam ni Anjo Pertiera.
Okay.
And right after namin pumasang dalawa sa College of St. Benilde, nag-ibang school po siya. At doon po kami nagkaharap sa NCAA. Bigla na lang nawala. Pumunta sa ibang school.
Nakita mo na sa kabila.
Oo. Sabi ko sa kanya, magiging iba sana yung NCAA season natin kung nandun ka dahil iba yung ambag mo sa team as a middle blocker.
Alam mo, bihira yung minsan, nangyayari yung sabay mag-tryout. Yung sabay mag-exam, bihira yun.
Sabay kaming nag-exam, sabay kaming pumasa kami. Umalis.
Umalis. Ayaw daw. Sabihin mo, hindi sana, yun tama ka, champion, ano?
Nakatingin ka sana ng champion.
Okay. Biro lang. Kanina po si Anjo nag-cover ng women's game natin. 9 points now for Reyes. Oh! Granada! We don't see that often from Dex Granada.
And it's actually yung favorite play nitong si Villanueva. Magbe-big quick siya, din papatong itong si Granada. Ng tres, ang tawag ng tres. Grabe.
3-4. Mangulabnan. RJ, too strong. Pero puntos para sa Mapua.
And in fairness sa mga players natin, honest naman sila.
7 puntos na para kay RJ Ramos. There was a check on that hit. 5-3 lead for the Cardinals. Clearly having the momentum now pa. Service error. Ito yung pumuputol din ang momentum nila nung set number 2, John Vic.
Dikit lang kanina, no? Dikit-dikit. Then, makakat yung momentum dahil sa error. Nakaka-down ng moral, no?
Oo. Yun ang nakaka-deflate yung mga service error. Ganda sana pero mababa. Para kay Musni.
Attack errors para kay Musni. And libreng puntos para sa Benilde.
Nanginayang si King.
Mangulab na.
Kasi nagawa na niya ng paraan, no? Kahit dikit sa set.
Oo,
kahit sa dikit sa net pala. Ito si King ulit. This time going to Reyes. Too strong.
Yeah, too strong.
6-5 lead. Now for the Blazing Spikers. They have now scored 3 straight points.
Well, ako, yung base experience ko, talagang hindi mo masasabi, Martin. Talagang inaalagaan mo yung points na lamang mo, pero hindi mo masasabi kasi nag-iiba talaga.
Ito, pinakamalinis na atake for Patrick Musnik. Making up for the mistake earlier.
Bumawi, no?
Bante ulit. Hindi, tabla na pala tayo. 6-all. Musni to serve. Diretso kay Baldado yun. Back row hit for Betko. Overpass. Rocky Motol exploding for that gimme.
Great timing para kay Motol. Ine-expect ko, iaangat niya muna yung bola. Kaya sabi niya siguro, bakit sasayangin ko pa yung pagkakataon? Paluin ko na.
Regalo na eh.
Wow.
7-6. Bakal. Floats it. Over to San Andres. What a wall established by B-Boy Ostero. And now the Blazing Spikers will take a 2-point lead. They shut down this cross-court attack of Barbie San Andres. 8-6 ang ating talaan. When we return from the break, we'll hear Aaron D's report.
Nagbabalik tayo here in the Rizal Memorial Coliseum for the NCAA Season 101 Men's Volleyball Finals. Martin and John Vic, saan nga ba kumukuha ng lakas itong Mapua Cardinals? From starting this season to lose 5 of their first 8 games to then eventually having to beat the San Beda Red Lions team who had a twice-to-beat advantage to eventually having to take down the Arellano Chiefs, the defending champions in the semifinals. RJ Ramos tells me doon daw sila kumukuha ng lakas from the experiences na pinagdaanan nila, from everything that led them to these finals. But RJ did note na kung hindi sila mananalo in these championships, it wouldn't sound as good. Now RJ also added that in these finals, he is going to maintain that same swagger and angas, as you would call it, because very infectious daw ito sa mga teammates niya and nakaka-boost daw ito sa mga confidence nila. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Aaron. It was or has been a grind all season long for the Mapua Cardinals, and the perfect moment and achievement to cap it all off is, of course, a championship.
Yeah. And alam mo, sa totoo lang, itong si RJ Ramos, tama yung sinasabi niya doon sa interview niya right after nung nanalo sila against Arellano. Sinasabi niya na, ipakita ko lang kung ano yung larong meron ako. Kasi gaya ng sabi daw ni Barbie, kung sino ka, yun lang ipakita mo. Kasi mas makakagalaw ka ng free and confident.
At saka, pag gano'n dami yung pinagdaanan nyo as a team. Diba? Lalo kayong tumitibay. Lalo kayong nahahasa.
Tama.
8-9 is the tally. So far, Mapua trims it to a 1-point lead or deficit.
Barbie Cinex to start the play tonight.
That's a good serve. Motol gets in on the return. Ramos commits the attacker.
Masyadong malakas yung palo ni Ramos. Na-excite siya kasi nakita niya hindi na nakatalon itong si Ostero.
So now Rocky Motol proceeds to the service line. Here's the jump serve. Another sharp serve. PJ Reyes. Diba? Very stable offensively.
And that's his favorite spot. Ang taas ng percentage niya kapag pumapalo siya down the line.
He now has 10 points in the ball game. Isa ulit hinahabol ng Mapua. They send it over to Granyada. Too much momentum for Dex. So tabla tayo sa set number 3.
2 straight points for Mapua University.
And
Diba?
back on
Iba yung laro dito, Martin. Iba ang championships game.
Yeah. Grabe yung nerves, tension. Walang sumusuko. Mangulabnan. RJ Ramos.
Wow. Alam mo, ramdam na ramdam mo. Every time na papalo itong si RJ Ramos.
Dun sa palo hanggang sa landing.
Oo.
Satisfying point para kay Ramos.
Pwede dito, pwede lagay nyo dyan, o pag gumanya, pwede dyan, o dyan. Lahat ng pinapalo natin doon sa kamay nila, hindi naman nila nabablock, pero nadidipid dahil dribble eh. Kaya naman nyo muna, first attack muna tayo.
Tara, sa akin, pasa tayo. Lahat. Magtulungan-tulungan tayo. Tara,
Simpleng instruction from Coach Arnold Danyog. Di ba, uso na kasi ngayon international tournaments of volleyball
Okay.
na from time to time, kapag chance ball or hindi mo mapapalo yung bola, gumawa ka ng paraan para mas mapahirapan itong kalaban mo na makapag-set up ng play. Di ba, basic?
Yeah. Okay. So tignan natin. Oh! Aking bet ko. Ayun na.
Ganun ka simple.
Yeah. 17 puntos na.
17 points. Grabe.
Ano lang to Baka nga hindi pa nangangalahati yung bet ko.
Oo.
Di ba? Mangulabnan. RJ down the line. That's Ramos scoring again.
He really knows what he's doing right now. This is a championship game. And smart na siyang alam mo, yung selection ng palo niya, mas smart compared dun sa quarterfinals and semifinals na napanood natin.
Correct. May pa down the line na dun si RJ. Eto na yung atake that was
Into the net.
sent back. So Mapua now establishes a 2-point lead.
And a great timing sa blockings nitong si Mangulabnan and mostly kaya naman the force itong si Bal bakal mag-error dun sa atake na yun.
PJ Reyes. Villanueva back set for Betco.
That one out.
Another unforced error para sa College of St. Benilde.
And it is now snowballing on the side of the green and white. Nagpatong-patong na John Vic. 14-11 para sa Mapua.
Sa ganitong klaseng ka-pressured na game, Martin, mas mangingibabaw kung ano yung kahulugan ng teamwork.
That's right.
Kung gaano kalalim yung pinagsamahan nyo, kung gaano nyo kagustong manalo sa championship na to.
And you have to show it on the court. Ito si Macking Betco, mabilis na binawi yung puntos. Single coverage by Ramos, no problem. Para dito kay Betco. And here he is. Now he'll be coming from the back. Mangulabnan. Touch the net.
Good intention for Mangulabnan, but the 3-point para sa College of St. Benilde.
Ito na. Ang Benilde.
Ganda sana eh.
Ganda ng basa niya eh. But, ito. King. Ramos.
Wow.
Puts it down. I like how RJ Ramos is recovering in this match, John Vic.
And kanina nag-cross-court siya, puntos. Nag-down the line siya, puntos. This time, sa ibabaw ng mga blockers.
Talagang may variation na ngayon yung mga atake ngayon. Siya yung magsisimula, Villanueva. That's an attack error on Palpakal. So tatlo ang abante ng Mapua heading to our technical timeout, 16-13. You guys are watching game number 1 of the NCAA Season 101 Men's Volleyball Finals. And you see this tableau. Ayan po, tatlong magagaling na middle blocker. Anjo Pertera, Kim Malabunga, and JV Sumagaysay. Kasama ko syempre dito katabi ko, champion MVP, former national team captain, John Vic de Guzman. Yung what if ni John Vic si Anjo sa championship sa NC. Ayan. Yun din po yung shinare natin kanina. But it is 16-13.
Uy!
In the third set. Mangulabnan is back up. Granada too strong. So it's another attack error for Benilde.
Yep. Kung bibilangan natin yung mga errors nila, medyo masakit ito for College of St. Benilde dahil this is actually the third set. And as much as possible, kailangan natin iwasan yung mga errors na kinukumit natin dahil hindi to semifinals, hindi to quarterfinals. This is the actual championship game.
New player in attendance for the Blazing Spikers. Estrada is now in the game. Outside. Okay. Hindi challenge ng Mapua, hindi.
Oh,
Sabi ni Coach Aying, challenge. Kasi sabi ni Coach Lawrence initially, hindi. Kasi may video footage sila doon eh. Di ba? Sabi, huwag muna.
Out na, sabi niya. Out.
Binawi. Okay.
Oh, we'll see. Baka naman sa mismong challenge, didikit doon sa linya, yung bola.
Ito ang bilis oh. Ayan, nakita na natin yung video challenge. By the way, 8 of Mapua 17 points mula sa errors ng Benilde, Chanvic. Looks like it's inside. Oh no, it's outside. Yeah, outside.
Kala ko rin nasa baba na yung bola. Diba, eto, yung mga, yung itsura ni Lorenz, nangihinayang siya. Kasi sayang, pwede niya nang gamitin doon sa end part ng third set tong challenge eh.
Tama.
Diba?
Kasi hindi na eh.
And
diba?
ang daming mga games na binago ng challenge.
True.
Nandito si Malabunga.
Malabunga. Oo nga.
Yeah.
Alam niya yan.
Trauma siya dyan.
Alam niya yan. Nag-celebrate ka na. Kala mo panalo ka na.
Nawala pa.
Dahil sa challenge. Barbie San Andres. With the cross-court kill.
4 points na ang kalamangan nitong Mapua University.
That's been a difference in this set. Mabilis binabawi ng Mapua. Diba? Motol. Sent back by Matandang.
Wow.
All systems go for the Mapua Cardinals. They are ahead 19-14 in set 3.
Kaya ganun kadali. Break ball. Naka-establish yung block. Ano gagawin mo? Pwede dun. Kung pinag-usapan natin. Sila, flat lang. Kung ano lang sila dun simula hanggang ngayon. Tayo sobrang hype ng simula. Kasi may aggressiveness natin ngayon. Kasi may pega natin.
Tsaka ibig i-up natin tayo, Ted. Nagda-down tayo. So kailangan natin i-up natin sarili natin. Sarili natin, tara, laban tayo.
Base observation natin, Martin. It's really all about College of St. Benilde. Yung Mapua, ginagawa lang nila kung ano yung pinag-practice nila, kung ano yung trabaho nila inside the court. And it seems like itong College of St. Benilde, sila yung nagkakaroon ng problem doon sa mismong team nila.
May doubts, may hesitation. Kailangan nilang ibalik yung aggressiveness nila.
Kumpiyansa.
So, new personnel mula kay Coach Arnold Lanyog. Dito po sa ating third set. Sulaiman is also in the ballgame. Ito, kakapasok lang. Converting right away is Alvin Sulaiman.
And ang good thing about dito sa bench ng College of St. Benilde, dami nilang options. Ang daming magagaling na spikers din. And same goes with Mapua University. Kaya from time to time kapag nag-substitute itong yung mga coaches natin, meron silang kumbaga additional na alas.
Si Bernie Rabanes na rin yung setter nila. PJ Reyes has mastered that down the line hit.
It's his favorite spot yan ni Reyes, yung down the line hit.
Teka.
Oo, challenge.
na. This is gonna be a tight one. We'll see. Ball in, ball out challenge.
Ang bilis ng bola, Martin. Hindi ko rin nakita
Oo
kung
nga.
inside mo, outside yung palo.
Bilis eh. But the linesman in front of the ball,
Inside
sabi
daw.
niya inside.
Kaya ako mukhang inside.
Inside ano.
Inside talaga.
On the line, clearly.
Ball reviewed
After
ball
this
inside.
video challenge, unsuccessful for Coach Arnold.
This set. Point and serve to Mapua University.
20-15 in favor of Mapua.
King
The
Mangulamba
question
to
is,
serve.
ano kayang pwedeng gawin ng Benilde para ma-shift yung momentum?
Pero nakakakuha sila ng mga puntos mula dito kay Sulaiman. Off the bench energy from Alvin.
4 points ang kalamangan ng Mapua. Balik naman si Betco at si Villanueva.
Number 11 out
Tara.
and number 5, Chris
So
Villanueva.
just a brief
First
rest
the game.
for those two. Maybe to observe as
The
well
Blazers
kung
earn
saan ba sila
4
makakabutas
points.
dito sa depensa ng Mapua.
Chris Villanueva to start the play, 16-20.
Villanueva would serve. Nakadangdang. Barely getting there. Petco
Wow.
will swing away.
Betco through the hands.
19 points now for Making Betco. And John Vic, just like in the second set, dito kinapitan ng Benilde yung Mapua.
17
And we'll
to
see
20.
kung magdedire-diretso itong momentum na ginagawa ng College of St. Benilde.
This is still playable. Good effort from Benilde. Barbie! Oh, what a save by Reyes! Villanueva, Petco, dug up. Here's the fake
Wow!
set again.
Ben
San Andres connects. Oh, wow!
What a great time, what a great defense kay Mangulapnan. And great set para kay Ramos.
Pangalawang beses ginawa dyan dito ni RJ Ramos.
Wow.
Faking out Benilde's net defense. 21-17. Middle attack is dug up. RJ too low on the off speed.
Into the
Yup,
net.
medyo masakit yung mga ganong kasimpleng errors, Martin.
Yeah.
Alam naman natin to si RJ Ramos, ang lakas niyang spiker. So from time to time, paluin mo ng paluin yung bola.
Yeah.
Mutua to serve.
18-21. RJ, sobra naman.
2-1 for Ramos.
Back-to-back attack errors
Yeah.
on RJ Ramos. Ayun na, masakit.
Eto, napatawag ng timeout si Coach Ayin.
Kailangan talaga itapon ng pagawang malayo. Doon talaga diretsuhan mo lang doon. Short kasi yung bola mo. Paano naman ma-atake na short? Ba talaga ang play? Eh, ba't hindi tumutuloy yung bola? Ay, naku naman. Kanina pa yung sinasabing short. Eh, mahirap pa naman talaga yung gagawin natin. One stop.
Again, same thing na nangyari nung second set natin, Martin. Medyo frustrated doon si Coach Aying dahil nga lamang sila 6 points.
Yeah.
And then suddenly naaabutan ng College of St. Benilde. For the record, meron ng 8 unforced error itong Mapua while itong Benilde naman ay merong 9 unforced error.
PJ Reyes gets them the perfect response. 13 puntos mula kay Reyes. Iba diskarte niya.
Oo.
Cross-court to, John Vic.
Yeah.
It's now
And mukhang basang-basa niya yung mga blockers ng College of St. Benilde.
22-19. Granyada sends it away.
points away. Zaskanada.
Di pa tapos, Martin.
We expect each set to go the distance. At mukhang nakakapit dito ang Benilde. Biboy Ostero to start. Mangulapnan. Nicely done by Villanueva. Petko is shut down at the net.
What a block from Mosley. Ganda ng timing niya doon.
23-24 Mapua. Timely responses mula dito sa koponan ni Coach Aing Esteban.
23, serving
2
20.
points away.
What a serve. Back set, Petko off the block.
Off the block out. +1.
20 puntos
Grabe.
para kay Making Petko.
20 big points para dito kay Petko. Anong hinahang ko si RJ? Kasi nasa tapat niya lang eh. Parang malakas lang yung palo ni Petko kaya tumalseg palabas yung bola.
Mangulabnan. Babawi si RJ Ramos.
Sabi ng ating linesman ay inside daw pero ang sinasabi ni Petko outside daw. So
Ang sabi ni RJ pag landing, gumanon siya inside the way.
inside daw, inside. Wow.
Okay. Ball in, ball out challenge for Benilde here.
As we
Crucial
can-
one coming up.
yeah. And as we can see, the Mapua, alam mo, ang gaan nilang panoorin right now.
Yeah. The energy just...
Pumupuntos ang Benilde.
Yeah.
Pero makikita mo na sa mukha nitong Mapua, alam nila makakabawi sila agad.
Speaking of Bawi, inside was the decision.
Point and serve to Mapua University.
Set point situation for Mapua University.
Set point. Serving for the set is
3 set points to work with here.
21.
RJ Ramos. Granada, single block by King Mangulabnan.
Wow.
Woo! What a finish for Mapua. The uncanny blocker on an island, shutting down that attempt to give Mapua the 2-1 lead in game number 1.